Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 13.2 question number 5. Question number 5 is simplify. Let us simplify. This is question number 1. Question number 1, you see, it is 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 5 into 7 to the power 3, 7 to the power 3 divided by 8 to the power 3 into 7. Right? 8 to the power 3 into 7. Right? Now you can find this one as here it is 2. It is multiplied because we know that 8 to the power m to the power n is equal to 8 to the power m into n. Right? If it will multiply, that is 5 to the 10 into 7 to the power 3. And here it is 8. 8 can be written as 2 to the power 2 to the power 3 to the power 3 into 7, or it can be written as 2 to the power 10 into 7 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power 3009 into 7 to the power 1. We also know that 8 to the power m divided by 8 to the power n is equal to 8 to the power m minus n. We know this one also, right? Therefore we can find that this value is, base is same as 2 to the power 10 minus 9 into 7 to the power 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2 to the power 10 minus 9 is 1 into 7 minus 7, 3 minus 1 is 2, or we will find that is 2 into 7 into 7, or you can find that 2 into 7 7 49, 49. If we multiply 49 with 2, 2 9 18, carry 1, it is 0. 2 4 8 plus 1 is 9, 98. And we are getting 98, and that is the answer. 98 is the answer for question number 1. Now we'll solve question number 2. Question number 2, you see here it is, we'll solve question number 2. Question number 2 is 25. That is 25 into 5 square into t to the power 8 divided by 10 to the power 3 into t to the power 4. T to the power 4. Right? Now you can write it as, it is 25, that is 5 to the power square into 5 to the power square into t to the power 8, t to the power 8 divided by, here you see 10 to the power 3, 10 to the 3 can be written as 2 into 5 to the power 3 into t to the power 4 into t to the power 4. Right? Now we can find 5, the value of 5, that is 5 to the power, this is 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 into t to the power 8, t to the power 8 divided by, here you see 2 is there, 2 to the power 3, right? Here it is 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 3, 5 to the power 3 into t to the power 4. To the power 4. Therefore, we will get is equal to 5 to the power 2 plus 2 is 4 into t to the power 8 divided by 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 3, 5 to the power 3 into t to the power 4. You can find this way, that is 5 to the power, this is division, right? Then we can find 5 to the power 4 minus 3 into t to the power 8 divided by 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3, right? Divided by 2 to the power 3. Therefore, we are getting 5 to the power 4 minus 3 is 1, that is 5 into t to the power 8 divided by 2 to the power 3. 2 to the 3 means 2 into 2 into 2, 2 is 4, 48. 5t4 t to the power 8 by 8. This is the answer of question number 2. We'll solve question number 3. Question number 3 here you see is question number 3. Here it is question number 3. That is 3 to the power 5 into 10 to the power 5 into 25 divided by 5 to the power 7 into 6 to the power 5 into 6 to the power 5. Right? I'll find this one as, here it is 3 to the power 5 into 10 to the power 10 can be written as 25 to the power 5, and 25 can be written as 5 to the power 2 divided by, now see 5 to the power 7, 5 to the power 7 into 6 can be written as 23 to the power 5. Right? You'll find here it is, that is 3 to the power 5, 3 to the power 5 into this one 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 2, and this one will be equal to 5 to the power 7 into 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 5. Right? Here you see this one is 3 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 5 plus 2 is 7 divided by 5 to the power 7 into 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 5. Right? That means what you're getting, you see, and by division we are finding here it is, that is 3 to the power 5. You see the base is same, 5 minus 5 into 2 to the power 5 minus 5 into 5 to the power 7 minus 7. That is, we are getting 3 to the power 0 into 2 to the power 0 into 5 to the power 0. 3 to the power 0 is equal to 1. 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1. And 5 to the power 0 is equal to 1. So it comes to value as 1. And this is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.